So today is July 2nd, and you know what that means. I'm bored. So I went to Walmart. I'm like, hey Kiana, let's shave your hair off today. And she said, okay, that's a dumb idea, but I'm for it. So I got this situation right here. It comes with 12 pieces. Just a disclaimer, I've never done this before, so this will be our first time. So let's just get to it. This is how I normally, first of all, excuse my looks. I don't feel like putting on makeup or eyebrows or anything just to cut my hair, so that's what we're having. So this is how I usually wear my hair on the regular. But I'm tired of waking up and doing that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to shave, make it cute. I'm gonna try. I've never done this before, so bear with me. First thing we're gonna do is we're going to slick this bad boy back. So I don't have much. Let me scooch you back a little bit. I don't have that much hair, obviously. So I think what we're gonna do is I am gonna section this off. So guys, this is the final look. I know this is my signature look, but I have to go with what I know, and this is what I know for now until I get my hair done in 2 weeks, which I'm going to get platinum blonde or like a light gray, because I want to look a little more exotic this summer. So let me know what you guys think, and if you like this, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And if you don't, that's your business. But thank you guys for watching. Bye.